The question is the correct order of n compounds in its decreasing order of oxidation states. So we have to calculate the oxidation states of these given four compounds. So the oxidation state of HNO3 is +5, and the oxidation state of NO is +2, and the oxidation state of nitrogen is 0, and the oxidation state of NH4 the oxidation state of nitrogen in NH4Cl is -3. So we have to put this in a decreasing order. So first is HNO3, NO, N2, and then NH4Cl. Thus option 1 is the answer.